Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner series. This is a video number 30. In this video we will learn workbook views in Excel. So let's start. Workbook views. Excel offers the different view modes to make your work easier depending on what you are doing. Okay, for that go to the view tab and here you can see the workbook view, normal view, page break view, page layout view and custom view. So let's see one by one. The normal view for everyday editing. Okay, so here is the current view is your normal view. Normal view is a default view. You see, when you open the Excel, it's the best for regular data entry, formulas and formatting. Okay, next, page layout view for print preview and design. Page layout view shows how your worksheet will look when printed. You can see header, footer and margin directly, perfect for adjusting the print setting before taking print out. Okay, so I'll go to the view tab in workbook view, click on the page layout view. Okay, and here you can see your page layout view. You can add here header, you can add the footer also, just drag and you can add here footer, and you can adjust the margin also. You can adjust the column margin, row margin. You just drag and adjust your column and row margin here. Okay, and if you want to hide this white space, you just keep cursor on between these two page. You can see the one here name pop up, hide white space. Just drag and here you can see your white space is hide. To show again, just click on it, just keep cursor here and just click on it to show again white space. Okay, so this is a way you can use the page layout view to print your data with the header and footer. Okay, so that's it. Now I go back to the normal view. Again, go to the view tab in workbook view, click on the normal view, and this is your default normal view. Next, page break preview. Okay, for page control. Page break preview helps you control where each page starts and ends during the printing. You can drag and adjust the blue line to set the page breaks exactly how you want them. Okay, so I just again go to the view tab in workbook view, click on the page break preview, and you can see the blue line here showing this is a page 1, page 2 and this is a page 3, but I want all data in page 1. So you just drag this blue line and you can set here the your page 1 this data. Okay, I use here Control Z. I show you when you print it, I press here Control P and you can see in page 1 showing the name to salary, in page 2 joining date and others details, in page 3 and other. So I just go back. Okay, and here I just drag this blue line. Okay, end of joining date column, and here this is a page 1 indicate, and here page 2 all data here showing in page 2. Okay, so now I just use here Control P and you can see only 2 pages here showing. One is full data name to joining date. In second page you can see the all details here showing. I just go back and here you see. So this is a way you can print your data in one page. Okay, so this is so helpful when you print your data. Okay, page break preview. Okay, so that's it. Now I just go back to the normal view, again go to the view tab and click on the normal view. Okay, that's it. Now let's see custom view. Save your own layout. Okay, custom view option where you can save your favorite display setting for quick use later. Okay, so I again go to the view tab and in workbook view group click on the custom view and you can see the one dialog box is open. You can just add your view. So I just click on the add and add here the name views employee view. Okay, so I just add here and click on OK. Now I again go to the custom view and you can see the employee view showing. When you click on the show, it will show. Okay, suppose I add here the one sheet and here I add something the amount. Okay, I just add here. Okay, now I click on the custom view and click on the add view and add here values and click on OK. Okay, now I am in sheet number 1. Now I click on the custom view, and here you can see the saved view all showing here list. I just click on the values view and then click on the show. You can see here the second sheet is automatically open. So if you have so many sheet in one workbook, so it is so helpful to quickly check your view, okay, and analyze your data. And if you want to quickly change your preview, you can use this bottom side icon at the right corner of your Excel window. You can see first is a normal view, second is page layout view, and third is a page break view. Just click on it and you can convert your view quickly here. Okay, this is so helpful to quickly change your Excel view. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.